YouTube, what is good, family? It's your boy DTSLR, deeper than surface level, for those of you who don't know yet. But today's topic of the day is going to be on the topic of chakras, family. Now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So today's topic, like I said, family, today's topic of the day is on the topic of chakras. Now, this video is more so an introduction, supposed to be an introduction to chakras for those who aren't really too spiritual or really more so who don't really know a lot on this topic. But with that being said, a lot of people kind of mistaken chakra or the topic of chakras and associate it with religion or a particular religion. But chakras, however you want to pronounce it, like I said, beginner stage. So, there's no emphasis on anything just yet as far as in the proper way you're still learning. But with that being said, as I was saying, is more so in a sense a way of being, a way of life. Not this not even more so further than that, an ideology. It goes beyond that. But the chakra system, it includes is most widely known seven. And for those of you who don't know, I'm also list them up on the screen so it can be better to follow along. But the first one is root chakra. Now the root chakra is located at the base of the spine, family. Now the root chakra is associated typically with the color red. Now all seven chakras, they're all associated with a particular color. Now a way to remember this, family, is when we were younger, I'm sure a lot of y'all remember the color wheel. I'm gonna also have that posted up. But the color wheel represents all the color variants that the chakras coincidentally coincides. So with that being said, if you guys have trouble remembering the different colors of the chakras, just go and look up the color wheel. It has all the coordinating colors, family, all in order. But with that being said, like I said, the root chakra is associated with the color red and is located at the base of the spine. Now, this root chakra is also associated with pleasure and foundations, along with many other attributes of that nature. But on that general sense, I'm gonna make a later video on that type of topic regarding the particular associations, more deeper depth with these particular chakras. But as I was saying, the first one is the root. It's associated with the color red, family, and it pertains to pleasure and our foundations, our groundedness. Our next one is our sacral chakra. Now, the sacral chakra is located at the belly button. Now, it deals with the color orange, and it's also associated with our emotions. Now, with that being said, the next one is the solar plexus, which is yellow, family. Now, this one is associated with our willpower, and it's located at our chest area, the area above the navel, but below the upper chest area. The next one is the heart. Now, the heart or these next locations should also be kind of familiar in a sense. It should be easy to point out the location with the given word. But the next chakra is the heart chakra, and that is located at the heart, family. And with that being said, this color, no, it's not red. No, it's not pink. It's associated with the color green. Now, green in spiritual sense, family, is a very good color. It's a very vibrant color. It's associated with beauty. Oh, what is that? Oh, but it's associated with beauty, divinity, mysticism, that type of sort of thing. It's also associated with happiness, etc., joy, whatever, all those different types of passions. Um, but like I was saying, that's the heart chakra, family. The next one, oh, I forgot to mention what it's associated with. The associations are balance, universal or self-love, appreciation, along with other attributes as well. Like I said, I'm gonna make a separate video that kind of goes a little bit more in depth on these particular attributes associated with the different chakras. But these are just a few to kind of lay the foundation for you guys. So the heart chakra, I'm gonna repeat that again. It is balance, universal and self-love. You you have to show positivity and love to others, but not only to others. Don't forget to show yourself self-love, family. You gotta love yourself before you love others first. That's the only way the love is gonna come out in the purest of best form. Another one being appreciate, gratefulness, gratitude. All these different attributes are associated with the heart chakra, family. Um, the next one is the throat chakra. Now that's located, of course, at the throat, family. Now this color is associated with the color blue. Now with that being said, family, its associations are dealing with the truth, expression, creativity, along with destruction. Now, the reason why that being the case is the throat deals with communication. Whenever you speak, you got to use your throat, correct? So that deals with communication. This is an easier way to remember these things, kind of remember these associations. But communication, it deals with truth because whenever, as far as no natural sense, the truth is the highest vibration in spiritual terms. So whenever you speak of truth, you are speaking in the highest form of terms, and along with the expression, creation and destroying. The throat chakra has the ability to create and destroy because of the fact there are power in your words, family. For those of you who don't know this just yet, there are power in your words. Any words or spells, anything you say, etc., affects people, affects things, ideas, whatever. It affects all ways of being. So be careful what you say to people. This is why whenever you speak, and it may be a negative tone or a negative aspect of whatever you're speaking on to someone else, it affects them in a negative way. You might say that you don't like that person. Now that person is thinking on a lower demeanor of thinking and might take it the wrong way. But that's a whole nother topic, family. But I don't want to get too far off guard or off course from this original topic. But like I was saying, that is the throat chakra, family. The next one is the third eye chakra. Now this is located right between the eyebrows, but a little up, a little above them, right here. But anyways, that deals with your insight, your intuition, your mindfulness, your imagination, your creativity. Your third eye deals with all these different things, your insights, all these different things. You get different types of feelings from your third eye. All these deeper understanding, truths, knowledge, etc. All these things come from your third eye. It helps you to keep on a critical thinking type of thinking. It helps on a progressive level, family. Um, yeah, that's the third eye. I don't want to get too deep on that because there's so much that can be said about the third eye, family. But like I said, this video is for beginners. So we are only kind of touching base on a few of these things because it's a lot that can be said about these things. But the last and not least, family, is the crown chakra. And this chakra is associated with the color purple. Now, this association also deals with peace, divinity, connected to the highest source, family. Now, this is connecting back with source, your spiritual roots, in that general sense. So, whenever you have your crown chakra activated and it's at its full potential, this allows this allows you to feel peace and harmony within yourself, along with that divinity that we all should be feeling, that's connected to source. Excuse me, family. I do not have the virus. I just had to get a little bit out. You feel me? But yeah, like I was saying, along with this is just really more so a beginner's guide to the chakra system, family. There is so much more that has to do with the chakra system. I plan on making these videos to try to discuss them more, to try to make this topic a little bit more digestible to the beginners is. The things that will be included into the next video that pertains to chakras will be the different attributes that comes along with these different chakras. I mentioned some that's associated with each one, but those, it doesn't stop their family. It's a lot more associated with them. Along with, you are literally blocking energy. You are literally blocking the energy flow throughout your whole body from reaching its peak in a sense. So with that being said, just let that kind of dawn on you guys a little bit. Um, Along with, as far as in the chakra system goes, they also have a correlation in relation to actual body parts in your inner body. Now, your inner body, we discussed the outer body, where their location is on the outer body. But the inner body, family, the inner body being particular organs, things of that nature that's inside your body. Chakras are actually associated with each individual one. Now, I will let you guys know that in the next video pertaining to this, like I said before. Um, what else? Along with, as far as in some other natures that also might help boost your energies for these chakras, such as different types of jewelries or crystals, things of that nature, family. But like I said, these are all future videos coming at a later date, so I can kind of introduce this topic a little bit more to you guys. But without further ado, family, I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. And if you made it this far into the chakra video, y'all definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe, and definitely hit the like button, family. Show some love, some support for all the knowledge, all the hard work, etc., that went into making this video today. Along with, definitely hit that bell to go ahead and stay notified on these upcoming videos, family, if you don't want to miss out on these videos. Like I said, these extra videos, part 2, part 3, coming out on chakras, they are coming soon. You could probably expect them maybe by the end of this week or possibly next week. But like I said, family, without further ado, I hope you guys been drinking your water, staying blessed, and continue to do so. Have a blessed one, family. It's DTSL, and I am out.